Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this polar bear cake. So cute. Right, let's start with some black fondant. We're rolling out the facial features. The long thin piece is going to attach to the nose. Chop that a little bit. And then let's make a little smiley mouth. Brilliant. Then all we need is 2 eyes. Now let's get to the chocolate cake. Just pop it onto a turntable and layer it with white buttercream. We're adding 3 layers of cake. Then coat the entire cake in white buttercream. Turntable makes it very easy to do. Then just smooth it out and use a design scraper to make it look like this. Add a scoop of white buttercream on top and use the spatula to smooth it out into a dome shape. Then pipe on 2 buttercream ears. Just perfecting the shape. Then sprinkle on some dried coconut shavings. This is for the polar bear's fur. Very effective. Now 2 dollops of white buttercream go on the side of the cake. This is where we're going to stick on the paws. So we have a white circle and 4 tiny balls made of black fondant, carefully placing them using tweezers. Let's do the other side. Now add the facial features, pressing them down onto the fondant dome. And there you have it. A polar bear cake. Super cute. And don't forget, although it's white on the outside, it's chocolate on the inside. Now simply dig in and enjoy.